You gotta buckle up because this workout is some serious shit. Like that? Yeah? Good. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reggie B. Today I'm going to show you 3 exercises on how to attack and strengthen those rear delts. A lot of times when you go into the gym, you see a lot of guys, their posture's off, they're more hunched over. It's because they're in more interior dominant. To fix that, these are the exercises on how to strengthen, put on some size to the rear delts so your posture is fixed and you look overall nice and balanced at the same time. So you're not just front delt dominant, you got a lateral delt, you want the overall size of that shoulder. So these are the 3 exercises on how to hit those rear delts. So, you guys ready? Let's get it. So moving on to tip number 1. This exercise right here is called the cable external rotation. This right here strengthens and stabilizes the entire shoulder region while emphasizing the rotator cuff. A lot of people who have rotator cuff problems, this exercise not only helps the actual joint, but if you're looking to build nice rear delts, this exercise right here is going to really focus on that muscle and that muscle only. If you're trying to build, you have to switch up your entire routine. Now to tip number 2, hitting rows is another great exercise to attack those rear delts. But the way you do the rows is what is very important. So when you're hitting the rows and doing this machine, keep your elbows nice and high and keep your width nice and wide, a little wider than shoulder width. Because that horizontal position you see right here in my rear delt, that's the only way you're going to attack and contract that muscle. So now moving on to tip number 3, the reverse fly, but in the shape of a W. A lot of people may not even heard or even seen this exercise before, but I can guarantee that it really contracts and focuses on those rear delts. So the thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna grab 2 dumbbells. As you see me here, I'm keeping my core nice and tight, and then you're gonna externally rotate all the way into a W shape. But for those that are not able to do that and don't really have a strong core, this is a modified version of what I just showed you a second ago. So you're gonna grab one of the balls and you're gonna lay on top of it and just literally do the same exact movement that I showed you a second ago and keep that mind muscle control. Remember, don't focus on how much weight you have in your hand. Mind muscle control is very important throughout this movement. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed my video. I can guarantee when you throw these exercises into your next shoulder day, throw them in before you attack every other part of your shoulder, because that's a big problem that a lot of these guys and females do in the gym. They're more focused on building the front and the lateral delt. Attack when you're full strength, those rear delts, and then you move on. So, hit that notification button so you know when my next video comes out. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, I will require you. Metamorphosis complete.